Hi guys, welcome to another Roblox video. Today I'm gonna be playing Mining Simulator, and somewhere in the video I'm gonna be showing you some codes, and yeah. And in the next video in Mining Simulator, and maybe like next I don't know, in another Mining Simulator, I can show you how to get to oh no, in the Candyland without the rebirth, without paying Robux. I can show you how in another video. Did it? Wait, this Foodland? I didn't even notice. Okay, what do you need to hide? I hate you. Like, oh, okay. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Like, Toyland only been out for like 1 month. It's something like, yeah, something like 1 month, and now, like, this Foodland. So I'm gonna show you some codes. So I got a website with some codes, but I'm gonna go digging. Okay. So on my other account, and I got like 3 Dominuses. No, maybe 2. Yeah, 2 Dominuses. Two legendary, something like that. And yeah, so I want to show you the codes, but I'll show you when it hits 2 minutes. Okay, it hits 2 minutes. So I'm gonna be going here. And just like here, I got the website of codes. So I did some of them already, and I was like, oh, I should do a video on this so I can show you guys. So these are the ones I did. I did candy, I did dino, I did ice cream, and I did Easter. So I have like lots messed up. So let's do dabbing. Okay. Let's go back. Go to codes. I think it was only there. Oh, 2000. Sweet. I think this was a code. Yeah, I think this was a code. Yes! Oh yeah, I already got another hack key. But I opened it, and I'm just gonna put this on. Equipped. Okay, I'll go back to inventory and show you that. If we go to hats, I got this, so I'm gonna put that on. Equipped. And now I'm gonna go to back to crates. I'm gonna open this in 3, 2, 1. Please, I need the Dominus again. Another one. Like, oh my god. Golden headphones. I can live with that. Okay. So white beanie with gives you increased by mining power by 20, and the other one increases it by 20 golden headphones. So now let's continue on with the codes. So go back to codes. And oh, here's another one. Another one is gem, but I already used it. Let me see if I can use it again. Yeah, I didn't use it. Somebody's named Baga. I think they're supposed to type Booga. So let's go back here. Let's see. Hats. Let's do more hats. Okay. Oops. I'm so excited. Okay, come on. No, move it. So mad. Okay, so another code was, I think it was, I think it was that. Okay, then. Yes! 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 I keep getting hackers. Come on, cotton candy. No. I don't want no. I'm so mad. So I'm gonna look through my codes. And guys, make sure to check out this website. It's amazing. It tells you all the codes. Oh yeah, I also did this. So let's do quest. And I would put the link in the description, but the screen recording thing won't let me do that. So, and play this game too. It's actually literally amazing. So I think it was. Oh my god, I forgot it. No. Oh my god, how did I forget that? No. I think this gives you, yeah, it gives you 2,000. Oh my god, I have so much money. So now, let's see another code. Let's see another code and get my stuff. Okay, Rumble Studios. Wait, I need to get thumbnail, so. Okay, this is gonna be my thumbnail. So I'm gonna screenshot this. I don't know how I'm gonna make this. Yeah, I'm just gonna screenshot it like this, so it's. I thought I got it. Did I get it? Okay, I'm just gonna do it again. What? Oh my. Oh, God. Let's see. I can't get a good thumbnail now. No. What? No. Print screen hat. No. I'm gonna find a way to do this, guys. Because I'm gonna find a way. So, uh, uh, is it, help. Look, guys, I have proof. Look, it says screenshot, print screen. I did that. I put that. I'm gonna do it again. Oh, finally. Oh, I'm so embarrassed. I'm gonna open folder and making it. How the darkness will reign. I'll just find it once. I'll just find it. Yes. Wait. What was that? Oh yeah. Studios. So guys, this is awesome. I know all of the codes because of this website. You have to go to this website. Did I use all of these? Let's see. I'm just gonna copy and paste this because I'm not spelling that. Okay. Okay. No, don't say I have to type it. No. You're kidding. Oh, I mean, it's very cold. I know it's started with that. No, def. I'm gonna try copying and pasting it again. Please. No! I sound like a baby that didn't get what he wants, as she wants. LD plays too. I already forgot it. Duffy. D plays too. D plays too. D. Duffy. D plays too. NK. What? No! What? I did it correct. Def. Oh, I forgot the L. Def the L. D plays too. Oh, yay. Yeah. Give me a legendary. Oh, skin. Okay. Ew. I seen Ruby before and it sucks. I may as well use it. Guys, I know that's not how you use it. Oh, in fact, maybe it is. Wait. Why am I a baby? Wait, I'm a baby. This is amazing. Yes!
What are you gonna do, guys?
Wait, Mama, I'm making a video. I'm making a video. Okay, fair. So let's go down. And they have coupons if you want. So 500, 1,000, diamond, 1,000. So I'm gonna do gold and new update. Okay, what? Gold. No. Okay, let's do a new update. New update. Okay, I think let's do diamonds. Diamonds. Okay, I think these are fake. Yeah, these are fake ones. Let's do this. Please. Okay, this is the last one. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to check out that website and play this game. Bye.